Let's learn about SAP Analytics Cloud Predictive. There are some introductory concepts about SAP Analytics Cloud Predictive and how we can utilize this for different things. There are some important concepts which are going to be covered in this video. The very first important topic is augmented analytics. So augmented analytics means it's a more enhanced or more increased analytics which uses machine learning technology for the analytic process. And what could it helps? It can go from insight to action within a fraction of time. It's within a fraction of time it can generate lot many different visualization or stories. It can avoid data agenda driven or biased decision making by revealing what drives the business. So what is the key factor or what is the important factor which is running the business that we can consider or which can be taken into consideration, and based on that it can provide the different decisions. There are three main functionalities which has provided, which is search to insight, smart insight, and smart discovery. So search to insight, which can quickly find a way to answers. That means user can type in English language some questions, and then it can the system will provide answers effectively within a fraction of time. Then smart insights, it can give instant explanations where it can understand top contributors for specific data points without having to manually pivot or slice and dice. So there are many manual things which we do generally in the reporting area that can be avoided, and it can automatically create different charts in our pivot type of format, which can easily able to help to take the decisions for the management users. And then smart discovery is another thing where you can easily reveal the insights, identify key influencers and relationship in the data to discover how business factors influence performance. We will be seeing this all the things practically how this works. This will be a very important topic to understand. In this as well, we need to understand predictive forecasting as well. We by using predictive forecasting we can get some early warning system. We can use multiple mathematical techniques such as data mining, statistic, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So here in diagram you can see how the predictive forecasting is given here for next uh, few months or few years as well. We can take this predictive analysis, and how a predictive analysis and story can be. I have already taken one video practically about this, how predictive forecasting. The link for that video you can find in the video description, where you can see this forecasting. We have done different types of forecasting as well, which we have done automatic forecasting. There are some linear regression and triple exponential smoothing algorithm as well that we you can consider. And when we wanted to build different calculations, predictive calculation, which can be used again and again in different stories, then we can make a predictive model. See how to create a predictive model as well, because this is important, how to create predictive model. We can create different calculation type to get right data about the usual data model. We can use as a data source for a new story. Once model is created, that can be used to multiple stories. We can have additional functionality to create the own predictive modelization as well. Who consumes predictive model? Whenever we create a predictive model, there are two stakeholders, we can say, data scientists and business user. Data scientists can create content with embedded predictive models using SAP Business Objects Predictive Analytics and deploy them to SAP Business Objects Cloud. While business users can interact with the predictive content and complex simulation using filters and parameters. They can retrain the predictive model in real time, allowing the data generation with the support of generating scores, probabilities, and then zero code deployment. There is no need to deploy the code. Means whatever the complicated stories or complicated predictive scenarios we are building, there is no coding required. Means for deployment, it is just a seamless deployment from one system to one environment to other. So it will not be going to be very difficult, and that to be without coding effort. So business values, what are the business values we can get? We can get everyone share their insights, business users make faster decision, data scientists control the business user experience, and IT manage with the less effort. That means cost saving. So that's it from this video. I hope you have understood. If you have any questions, then please put it in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching.